here to check my 27.5 Dartmoor Primal trail bike. As you can see here, this was my first ever build trail bike. So madami po tayong mga tweaks, no? And sa nakita nyo dito, this build was sinubukan nating mag-build ng mallet. As you can see, this was 27 at the rear and then 29 at front. So yeah, check natin . Yeah, so we also added some dropper posts after a few setup. Dito naman, no, as you can see, pinagawa natin ito sa ating master mechanic na si Noel Latore. Shout out to you, master. And yeah, pinatransfer natin yung mga parts natin sa old na bike to our trail bike. And then a few trail rides, naisipan nating nagpalit ng bagong fork. Of course, gawa pa rin natin ito sa ating butihing master mechanic na si Master Noel. And this time pumunta tayo sa ating trusted bike shop na sa Choy Bikes. Dito lang yan sa Lapu-Lapu. Here's my 27 custom build Dartmoor Primal. Okay, so let's check the rear wheel. The setup comes with a 27.5 by 2.4 Kenda Navigal tire. This is already tubeless ready. And the rim is pinalitan na natin ng sticker ito, but it's a Sagbit Legend tubeless ready, and then spokes for nipples are Ragosa, and then we have XT brakes, and we also have SRAM rotors in it with Bengal 180mm adapter. Hub is Weapon Prime boost, and cogs is a Swallow 1152T cassette. RD and shifter comes with a AX12 L2 11 by 1x12 group set. Includes the RD and the shifter. Okay, so let's go to the front setup. Fork is a RockShox Yari 2021 boost fork, and hub is still prime, boost weapon prime. The tire is a Maxxis 4 caster. This is not tubeless ready, pero ginawa pa rin natin ng tubeless. This is 2.35, and the rim is still Segment Legend, and spokes is still Ragosa. Brakes is MT800 Shimano, and it comes with a 2-3 SRAM rotor. And yeah, the adapter is just 180. The middle setup, this is a Dartmoor Primal 27.5 size XL. Saddle is in speed, and seat post is a Satori Sorata Pro 150mm dropper post. And then as for the crank, this came from a 3x setup, a Shimano M516 Diore. We took out the chain rings and changed it to a narrow wide 32T SRAM and 24T CNC. We use manual shifting method for this, no? Mano-mano, kumbaga. Then we have a 12-speed YB and chain and a warrior pedal. Alright, so as for the front setup, we have a 800mm Turbo Tip XR. This is a triple butted one, just a low rise. The stem is a Weapon Savage. Right, so we changed the volt for this one. We have the speedometer, which is a GS Sports IGPS 50E. As for the grips, we have the cycling skid proof grips. So yeah, that's all for my setup. So yeah, if interested kayo, you can buy those cockpits, grips, and everything in Choi Bikes. Shout out to Choi Bikes for giving me those great deals sa mga pyesa. So yeah, that's my custom build bike. I'm planning to change my rear caliper into 4-piston. As to when braking hard, I still have what they call braking fade. So yeah, that's all for my custom build bike, and currently we're in Xterra right now. Peace out.